November 2nd, card opening. Here we are now inside. It is too cold to be outside. But we have some card opening to do for you, including a mail day. I picked up this card. Where did I pick it up? Last week. Found a good deal for it. I assume it's collectible, looks to be in pretty good shape. I'll get your opinion if I think I should get it graded. I'm tempted to bring it to the baseball game when we're going to go watch the Rockies and the Twins next year. Has some risk of bringing it and see if we can get it signed. But anyway, without further ado, we have a Jonathan Daza 2020 Series 2. I don't know what they call it, the Superfractor. It's the paper, it's not chrome, but it's a 1/1, his rookie card. Sharp looking card. You can see my head behind a camera. Very nice. Anyway, tell me, do you think I just get this graded? Do I keep it raw? Do I, for fun, have it get signed? I don't know, you let me know. But it's my first Superfractor of a rookie card that I grabbed, and it was pretty decently priced. It was a name your own price, and I got it for sub 150, so I thought it was fairly good there, especially if I think he has potential to be something good. Maybe not a Trevor Story or something like that, but fun little. Anyway, we'll get the card opening. Chrome. Maybe I'll do the rainbow there now. I have the Superfractor. It's all downhill. Suarez, Mookie Betts. There's our auto. He numbered it. That's kind of nice. Carlos Hernandez, number 43, even though he's obviously wearing 7. Oh, he likes the number 43. I don't mind when they do little things. It's a nice, distinct auto. Little inscription. I'm not going to complain too much about that. I'll have to look up what is his true number. Mosaic. Alejandro Kirk. Lewin Diaz, Brady Senior, Jacob deGrom, Hanser Alberto, Kim, Trevor Bauer. See, like this, when they take like Panini, I wish you had logos. I really don't hate your cards. Okay, I pulled a parallel of that one. Lindor, Prism, Earl Wynn, Prism. Jose Altuve, Field Vision. And Ke'Bryan Hayes, rookie debut. Let's look at this card a little bit more, because I've seen a couple of these. The Field Visions are not too horrible. I don't know if they're quite there. Blackman's getting double played. So we know this is in 2020. And Nolan Arenado hit after Blackman, so that makes sense. He was a double play machine, or pop-up alley. Man, 2020 was not a good season for him offensively. He had a fine season defensively. Blackman was on a tear that first half of 2020. He's batting 500 after, I don't know how many at-bats. He came down to earth. Trevor Rogers, Andres Jimenez, Justin Verlander, red. At a 199. Spacer, 101. Nate Pearson. And Whit Merrifield. One time Blackman was pitching and literally, or hitting, when he was batting the 500. And the pitcher just like froze. It was a fun game. Another fatty. This one seems to be a real card, so we'll move this up. Jose Abreu, Jorge Hari, Trevor Bauer. See, that looks, let's do the comparison. And this is nothing to do with Trevor Bauer's fault or anything. It's just the design of a card. So you can't play with logos, okay? Maybe it's the color of his shirt. But you compare the two Trevor Bauer ones, both Panini products, you know, Mosaic and Select. The Select looks a lot better. So I don't know if it's just all blue on the Mosaic that just makes it look off. I don't know. I know you don't care that much. Dustin Megan looks better. We have a Ryan Weathers patch. That's a nice patch. What is this out of 25? 22 out of 25. That's a nice, good patch. You got the patch there. You got the pinstripe. You got the jersey. I'll take that. I'll take that. Bowman Chrome. What do you think that is in his jersey? Dalmo, Javi Baez, Jared Duran, Sparkle Sprinkle, unnumbered, Shimmer, Jason Dominguez, CJ Abrams. Say, let's look for the logo on his shirt. Oh dear, what is that? Padres, is that a number? It seems pretty big for a number. I don't know. This would do a bin dollar. Nick Senzel. Jesus Sanchez, Chris Bryant, and John. Oh, Lord, that guy stalks me. Well, if I got him, that means you can't get him, right? These are not too bad looking cards, though. They're chrome with just a little more flair and a little more bite to them. And obviously a lower print run, hopefully. I know it's lower than chrome. Anyway, Jesus Sanchez. So not a bad opening. Not a bad opening at all. Get these all sleeved and put away, and I'll get you one last look here of the Superfractor, and then let me know, what would you do? What would you do? Okay, y'all take care.